Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to save a story or a live video on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. If you like someone's Instagram story then you can easily snapshot it and the person will not be notified. And if the story is a video or if you want to save a live video of a person then you can use a screen recorder app and you'll be able to easily save it. And for this you can use the X Recorder app. This app is very useful and I am recording on it right now. And that's how you can save a story or a live video on Instagram. So if this video helped you out then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.